Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Try out those annoying mosquito buzzing around your home. Well, we have got quick and easy solution for you. In just 5 minutes you can make your very own DIY mosquito killer refill at home. Let's get started. Here's what you will need: some kapoor, a small container, an empty all-out mosquito killer refill, and a few drops of mosquito repellent tarpon oil. You can easily find this ingredient at your local store or online. First, take out the empty all-out mosquito killer refill and unscrew the cap. Make sure it's completely empty and no traces of the previous liquid remain. Now fill the container with some kapoor. Remember, you don't need too much tarpon oil, just enough to cover the bottom. Next, add a few drops of mosquito repellent oil, tarpon oil, into the oil, and this oil will act as a powerful repellent, keeping those nasty mosquito at bay. You can choose your favorite scent or try a combinations of different oil for a pleasant fragrance. Once you have add the oil, give the mixture a good stir and make sure it's well mixed to ensure maximum effectiveness. Now carefully pour the mixture into the empty all out mosquito killer refill. Be careful not to spill or waste any of it. Finally, screw the cap back onto the refill and you are all set. Your homemade mosquito killer refill is ready to go. Just plug it into the mosquito repellent machine and switch it on. Within on time you will experience a mosquito free home. Not only is this DIY refill quick and easy, but it also saves you money. No need to rush to the store and buy expensive refill anymore. With just a few simple ingredients you can make your own effective mosquito killer refill in on time. So why put up with those irritating mosquito when you can easily get rid of them with this homemade solution? Say goodbye to those sleepless night and itchy mosquito bites. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this DIY mosquito killer refill tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks for a mosquito free life. Stay safe and mosquito free. Till then, bye, take care guys, and thank you for watching my video.